The Bombay High Court on Friday orally remarked that media now has become highly polarized and that journalists were responsible and neutral in the past. Journalists were responsible back then and neutral. Now, media is highly polarized, said a bench comprising Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice G.S. Kulkarni. The bench made these remarks while hearing the lawyer of Zee News in a batch of PILs, seeking regulation on media trial while reporting the investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. This is not a question of regulation. This is a question of checks and balances. People forget where to draw lines. Do it within lines. You want to criticize the government? Do it. The issue is someone has died and the allegation is you are interfering, the bench said. We are ruled by the rule of law. In India, there is a rule of law, right? How do you advocate that people who go around accusing others can find shelter of freedom of press? The bench remarked. On the previous day of hearing, the court has expressed concerns at the practice of trial by media during the pendency of investigation. If you become the investigator, prosecutor, and the judge, what is the use of us? Why are we here? The bench had asked Advocate Malvika Trivedi, the lawyer representing Republic TV. The bench also asked the lawyer of Republic TV if asking the public who should be arrested in a case is a part of investigative journalism. This was in reference to the hashtag campaign Arrest Ria run by the channel in Twitter following the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Is this part of investigative journalism? Asking public about their opinion on who should be arrested. The bench asked Advocate Malvika Trivedi. When a case is under investigation and the issue is whether it's a homicide or suicide, and a channel is saying it is a murder, is that investigative journalism? The bench asked. The bench had told the channel's lawyer investigative powers are given to the police under the CRPC.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.